Welcome to our video on Agile project management. Today, we are diving into the core of Agile methodology, the product backlog. So what exactly is a product backlog in Agile? Well, think of it as your project's to-do list, but way more important. It's a simple yet powerful tool that keeps track of all the tasks, features, and goals that need to be accomplished for your project. In this video, we will explore all the aspects of product backlog in Agile, from its importance to its contents and how it's managed through backlog grooming and sprints. So let's dive in and unlock the power of Agile project management together.
Craving a career upgrade? Subscribe, like, and comment below. Dive into the link in the description to fast-track your ambitions. Whether you're making a switch or aiming higher, Simplilearn has your back.
Just a quick info for you. If you want to become a certified Scrum Master, our exclusive certification training course awaits. Unlock your potential with a Certified Scrum Master certification training course. Enjoy 2 days of immersive virtual classes, a 2-year membership with Scrum Alliance, and earn 20 PDUs and 16 SCUs by course and master Scrum and Agile methodologies. Don't miss out, enroll now. Find the course link in the description box.
Why product backlog is important? The product backlog is a fundamental component in Agile and Scrum methodologies, serving as a dynamic, prioritized list of features, enhancements, bug fixes, and other changes that are needed to improve a product. Prioritization. The team can prioritize tasks based on the product's requirements and the value they bring to stakeholders. Transparency. The product backlog offers a clear view of upcoming work, ensuring everyone understands the project's direction and goals. Flexibility. It allows for the easy integration of changes and new ideas into the product development process. Focus. With a well-defined list of tasks, the team can concentrate on completing the most valuable ones first. Efficiency. It enables the team to select work from the backlog as they have capacity, optimizing workflow and productivity instead of being overloaded with tasks. Let's understand what is a product backlog in Agile. The product backlog in Agile is like a big to-do list for a project, specifically for those projects managed using Agile methodologies, which are approaches to software development that emphasize flexibility, collaboration, and customer feedback. Imagine you're planning a big party which represents the final product. Your to-do list, the product backlog, includes everything you need to do to make the party happen. This list might include tasks like send out invitations, buy decorations, plan the menu, and so on. Each task is important for the party to be successful. In the context of a software project, this list includes all the features, functions, requirements, enhancements, and fixes that need to be addressed to make the final product meet the customer's needs. These items are typically listed in order of priority, with the most important or urgent items at the top of the list. The team working on the project will regularly review this list, often in a meeting called the Backlog Grooming session. But what is Backlog Grooming? Let's understand. What is Backlog Grooming? Backlog Grooming is a term commonly used in Agile software development. Imagine you're planning a trip and you have a list of things you want to do or places you want to visit. Your list might include things like booking flights, reserving accommodations, and planning activities. Now, think of this list as your backlog in Agile terms. It's a list of tasks or features that need to be completed for a project. Backlog grooming is like going through this list regularly to make sure it's organized, prioritized, and ready to be worked on. Here's how it works. Reviewing and adding items. You start by looking at the items on your list backlog and making sure they're still relevant and needed. If there are new ideas or requirements, you add them to the list. Prioritizing. Not all tasks are equally important. You need to decide which ones should be done first. So, you prioritize the items on your list based on factors like customer needs, project deadlines, or business value. Breaking down tasks. Some items on your list might be big and complex. It's easier to work on smaller, manageable tasks. In backlog grooming, you might break down big tasks into smaller ones so they can be completed more easily. Estimating effort. It's important to have an idea of how much time and effort each task will take. During backlog grooming, you might discuss and estimate the effort required for each item. This helps with planning and resource allocation, ensuring clarity. Everyone involved in the project should have a clear understanding of what each task entails. Backlog grooming provides an opportunity to clarify any doubts or questions about the items on the list. Keeping it up to date, backlog grooming isn't a one time thing, it's an ongoing process. You should regularly review and update the backlog as the project progresses and new information becomes available. Alright, so after that, as the project progresses, the team selects items from the top of the product backlog to work on during each development cycle called a sprint. Now, what is sprint? A sprint is a time box period, usually 4 weeks, during which the development team works on a set of items from the product backlog to create a potentially shippable product increment. Sprints provide a focused, concentrated effort to deliver valuable work within a short time frame. At the beginning of each sprint, the team selects a set of items from the product backlog based on their priority and capacity to form the sprint backlog. They commit to completing these items by the end of the sprint. Once the sprint is over, they review the work and present it to the stakeholders, usually the customer or client, for feedback. All right, now let's understand what's in a product backlog. A product backlog serves as a comprehensive checklist for a project team, outlining all the tasks required to enhance the product's quality. It encompasses various elements: user stories, brief narratives detailing desired features from the perspective of the end user, structured as a type of user, I want an action so that a benefit value. Bugs issues. Any flaws or malfunctions within the product are documented here for resolution. Tasks. These entail specific actions necessary for fulfilling a user story or rectifying a bug. Enhancements. Suggestions for improving the product's functionality or value, not necessarily related to troubleshooting. Technical work. Tasks related to enhancing the product's technical aspects, such as code based refinement or software component updates. Knowledge acquisition. Activities aimed at empowering the team with essential insights or skills for making informed decisions, such as research or exploration tasks. And there you have it. We've explored the ins and outs of the product backlog in Agile. By understanding its importance and how to manage it through backlog grooming, you're well equipped to steer your projects towards success. Alright guys, with that we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I hope it really helped you all. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and keep learning.
Staying ahead in your description to know more.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.